My name is Nikki Kaufman. I am the founder and CEO of Normal. At Normal, it's quite simple. We make custom 3D printed earphones. I started Normal because of the problem that many of us experience of ill-fitting earphones. Nothing fit, everything hurt. When you work out, they fall. When you're on long planes, they hurt. So kind of wanted to go through the process of getting a pair of custom made for me. The ways that existed to make custom headphones or earphones before Normal was through cast and through silicone molds and through a process that takes weeks and is hundreds to thousands of dollars. I've been around 3D printing and manufacturing and production for a while, and I was thinking there's got to be a way to do this via 3D printing. So we're excited to be able to use 3D printing to make a product that is more affordable from a time and cost perspective to more consumers. We take a photo of each of your ears while holding up a quarter for scale, and we turn that into a product that is completely personalized for you. You can also customize the colors, the cable, etc. And this product is ready for you in as little as 48 hours. 3D printing allows us to do this at a price point that makes sense. The economics make sense for us and for the consumer, and it allows us to make a really beautiful premium product both from a sound and fit perspective. When I launched Normal, I had no debate in my mind. The machine I wanted to use was going to be the Stratasys Fortis 250. I knew that it would give me the quality and the speed and the ease of use and the factory sort of ability that I needed to have Normal. The model that we have is very simple to operate. Again, this is a mass-produced consumer product, so we needed a machine that would allow us to operate at a factory mass scale. Remember, we're selling a premium product, and the resolution is great, right? It matches that premium price point, that amazing sound, that personalized fit you get. We are currently printing with ABS. We have 7 different color ABS. After the product gets printed on our machine, there's some post-processing that happens where it gets cleaned, where it gets sanded, where it gets smoothed, and actually we coat it with some soft touch spray to give it a nice soft touch. At Normal, we really want to celebrate the fact that these are 3D printed. We're proud of that. When customers come through the door, they are super excited about what this space is. It's this retail and factory and shop and office all in one. They get really excited to be able to see their product being made live in front of their eyes, to be able to see the assembly line running, to be able to see the staff at work. For a lot of people, they've never seen a 3D printer before. So there's this really fun educational piece as well in the store where we have our factory team helping the customer, talking them through what is actually going on in that machine. This is the first real application of 3D printing for a mass-produced consumer good, but the idea could be a lot bigger than headphones. So we'll see what other things are out there for us in the future.